Alright, so this is my first time doing a bacon wrap pork tenderloin. Was at Food for Less. Saw one for under $7 and I had to get it. And what I did was I injected it with leftover the little cups, the garlic butter cups that you get from Little Caesars for your bread. I had a few of those, so I injected that garlic butter into the pork and then seasoned it with my apple rub. You want to check out that apple rub recipe? Go ahead and check me out on YouTube. Keenan Just Felt Like Cooking, and it's on my baby back rib video. Alright, so I cooked this bad boy. I had it in there at I think 375 for about 30 minutes, and then I dropped the temp to 275 and then cooked it for like another hour and a half, and then I turned off the oven and I let it sit in there for 20 minutes, and then I tinted it and then let it sit for another 20 minutes. So let's cut into this bad boy and see what's cracking. Alright, so let's cut into this bad boy. That is juicy. I don't want to tear my bacon. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, it's crying. It's crying because it's so good. It's so juicy. Those tears of joy. Look at that. Seasoned with that apple rub, injected with the Little Caesars garlic butter. So if you got leftover garlic butter, use it as an injection. It works, trust me. Get a bite. Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah. Alright. So I'm gonna hold that on there because I cut the bacon. I'm just gonna take a bite. I'm getting so excited right now. You know what? That is good. Alright. Not bad for my first time. Okay. I don't know what I'm gonna eat with this. I'll probably make a sandwich. We'll just continue to slice it and eat it. This is my first time trying this. It turned out alright. Pork loin, seasoned with my apple rub. Alright, it's your boy Keenan. One.